full visual demonstration. Okay, so what we see here basically, it's a nice VNV module. In
Yeah.
this VNV module, usually what we do, we need to identify set of documents. As you can see, we're looking at several set of documents. And what is nice about it is we distinguish between two levels of documents. Whatever goes above that line is called design input. Whatever goes below that line is called design outputs. Whatever links them together with the verification and validation are risks that are presented on one hand with the change, everything that happened here on with the change, and on the other hand, with the evidence of the verification and validation procedures. At the bottom of it, you can find the engineering tools of source control, MATLAB, or mechanical engineering, SolidWorks, AutoCAD, Autodesk, whatever, right? So usually what we do, we take your device and what we do, we break it down into components. So just for illustration, just imagine that I look at your website, right? And your device looks like this kind of a box at the moment, right now. This is what it looks like, right? So if I would take this box and just try to break it down into several major components, what would I find is usually one component that is related to the mechanical requirements and their testing. There inside, there will be some PCB, right? Board. So there will be a VNV module for electronic with a firmware requirement. And there will be maybe a piece of software. It will link to some sort of station or whatever you decide, and will have its own VNV software module. So just imagine that when we take a look at your device, we actually break it down into subcomponents, and each subcomponent like that is being treated in the Okeanos system completely, according to the design control methodology that you decide on. And that will imply the following standards: the ISO 14971, which is associated with risk, the IEC 62304, which is associated with software, the 6601, right? And everything else that is linked to that. I don't want to illustrate all the standards that are required. Obviously, there are more there to go. Like, for example, the 820,